Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. God bless you for stopping by. Thank you so much for being here. So today I want to show you the milk for bones, the milk for joints. It's very important. So this is soy milk, soya milk. It's very nutritious, and it contains calcium and the vitamin D. So I will start by boiling it, then you wait until we get there. Okay, I will add another thing. Soy milk also contains some vitamin K, which needs for blood clotting. It's very important, which is a mineral, contributes to strong bones, and potassiums. In fact, it needed to keep bones on. So you don't afford to miss soya milk in your meal. It's very important. But if you are allergic to this soya milk, please avoid it. But if you are not allergic to it, please keep on taking it at least 2 times or 3 times in a week. Make it a way of of your breakfast or with your smoothies and others. But today I'm going to show you this milk, how you can do it. Somebody that is suffering from joint bones, joint pains, and a lot of things. So I want you to watch and see what I'm going to use it to do. Okay, stay tuned. So this is 1 cup. This cup I'm using has liter, so this is like 200. I've measured it, is 200. Okay, so allow it to warm for a minute. So guys, this is the soya milk. It has been boiled. Yeah, this is the cup I'm going to use for it. So guys, another thing I want to add here is something that is very nutritious and healthy. This is turmeric. We call it in Italian curcuma. Okay, this is turmeric powder. Guys, you can use the stick one, the root one, but this one is very handy. Anytime you want to use it, it's very good. So turmeric is very good for bones and for joints. So I'm going to use 1/4 of this, guys. I don't know if you're seeing my measurement. This is going, guys, I don't know what is okay, this is it. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon for it. So I'm going to add it now. This is it, guys. It's turning golden. So this is the golden milk we are talking about. This is very good for your bones. It's very good for your joints. Guys, if you're the one that always complain of joint pain, arthritis, take this milk and you come back to thank me. Okay? It's very nutritious. Take it, unless if you are allergic to soya milk, guys, then you leave. Please don't do something that's after doing you will not be able to be comfortable. So try to make sure that this milk is okay for you, and also you remember that soya milk is also for vegan. It's not animal milk, it's not cow's milk, you understand? So this is the golden milk we are talking about, guys. I can enjoy this with anything I want. Okay, this is very good. You can take it in the morning or in the night, depending on when you have the time to take it. You can use it with your cereals or your anyhow you can use it for it to be consumed. Okay, so this is it for this time. If you're watching up to this time and you've not subscribed to this channel, oh guys, what are you waiting for? Except you don't like what I'm doing. But if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to this channel, Keep your notification bell on so that anytime I upload a video, you will get to know. Okay? And remain blessed and stay blessed and stay safe. And we all Nigerians are crying and SARS. Okay? And SARS. Enough is enough. God bless you. Remain blessed as we meet again. Ciao.